Hello guys, how you doing today? So today we're working on a gorgeous 911 Carrera Porsche, and what we're doing literally next couple of days is project. It's enhancement package, so two-stage polishing, ceramic coating. Certain part of the vehicle are damaged severely, so we're pushing ourselves and we're going to do smart repair with front bumper, completely restoring front bumper, rear bumper. All four alloys will be stripped down with the acids and literally respray again inside out and seal it with the ceramic coating. And calipers will be done too, all four of them. Arches, again we got a little bit rusty arches, so we're going to restore them as a smart repair. In terms of the paintwork, literally need to be completely polish all the scratches, all the defects. As you see, there is swell marks, scratches. We got lots quite around the car, lots of bird marks. So in a lacquer, inside in the lacquer. So we're going to restore those bird marks. And literally after that, we're going to seal it with ceramic coating again. So you see they're quite severe, the bird mark. So you see we got cracks front of the bumper. So that'll be completely restored with a smart repair. So now you see in the paint we got severe scratches, holograms, bird marks, heavy scratches. The side of the wings, literally the panels, there are heavily severe scratches and swells. So you see guys, during the time is lacquer and paint peeling off. So we're going to restore it completely inside out alloys that start bubbling even inside, so completely will be done in assets and restoring. So you see again, once again we got scarves on the side of the bumper, and literally what we're going to do, we're going to do smart repair with this one. So again, we're going to lose this color here, just to the middle. So in terms of the interior, we're going to treat, again, these lovely carpets. They're quite black, certain place brown, so that's going to be done with a steamer, completely strip it down, all the dirt, and preserve it again. Interior need to be done completely. See, it's quite muddy. See the better days again, so will be done, all the arches. All interior literally need to be stripped down and preserved with leather conditioners. Hello guys, welcome back to Easy Car Detailing. Literally we work on this gorgeous 911 Carrera last 5 days. It's over 60 hours been done on this vehicle, been done the work, and literally the client request was front bumper completely respray, restore the front bumper, been done, all alloys around, inside out. Literally we dropped them in assets and now they are absolutely preserved, looking brand new again. Calipers, likewise, again, been done completely, so you would see in the video before and after how they came. Rear bumper been resprayed once again. In terms of the body, we did 3-stage polishing, we seal it with ceramic coating, we take the dead old skin completely off, literally over 25 years old vehicle, so did need it. We preserve it, we take all the defects off and we seal it with a ceramic coating once again. Thank you very much for all your support guys, and see you with next one. Like, share, subscribe, mean a lot. Thank you very much.